In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off notifications on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Snapchat app. Then go to your profile and then hit at that gear icon to open up settings. On settings, towards the bottom of the screen, you can easily find notifications, and that's where you can turn off notifications for specific events, like you don't want to get notifications about stories from friends or Bitmoji in notifications, and a ton of other different options. But unfortunately in here there is no option to completely turn off notifications for the entire Snapchat app. If you want to toggle off notifications for the Snapchat app, you should go to the settings, then notifications, then scroll down until you find Snapchat. Here it is. And then in order to completely turn off all the notifications, just hit at that button next to allow notifications. And that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.